everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make custom frames in Canva. We'll uncover every step in an easy to follow way. So let's dive in. Many people believe that you need tools like Figma, PowerPoint or Illustrator for this task. In reality, it's quite simple. I'll guide you through the process step by step. If you stay tuned till the end, I will provide some advice on how to keep your custom frames organized for later use. Right now on screen you can see I have a square shape added to it. Imagine I want to turn this into a custom frame. But Canva already has a square shape frame, so we add some shapes or elements to make it unique. The magic of custom frame is that you can turn any design into a frame. It can be shapes, graphics, photos with removed backgrounds, or even text. So we can go to Elements and search graffiti here. If you have a design in your mind, then search that way. We have lots of graphics here. You can choose any and turn it into frame or combine two or more designs and make a new one. That depends on your imagination. I have changed color of square to black. To keep it simple, we add this crown and adjust its position. Now, I look for something that fits to remaining three sides. Let's try this one. Resize it and place it at the bottom. Then duplicate it, rotate it and place it to the remaining sides as well. So once you are happy with your design, then download it as PNG with transparent background. Next, go to the browser and open photopea.com. It's a free online photo editor which is like a lightweight version of Photoshop. You just need to come to photopea.com and just click Open from your computer and grab the file that we just created in Canva. Then select the design by holding down the Control key and clicking on the background layer. If you're on a Mac computer, then hold down the Command key and click on the background layer. Go to the Path tab and click Selection to Path, which is here at the bottom. You'll see a blue outline indicating the path is created. Now go to the layer, then in Vector Mask and select Current Path. Now export this as a PDF. Go to File, Export As and choose PDF. Make sure no options are checked and save the PDF. Back in Canva, go to Create Design and click Import File. Select the PDF file we created or upload the PDF file by dragging it or use the Upload button. Once it appears in Canva, then open it. Now you can add any photo to this frame. Now let me show you another step. This time I'll use text and graphics. Let's create our design first. Add some text. Here I add nature. And then add some graphic related to nature. Once your design is ready, follow the same steps. Download the design as PNG with transparent background. Go to photopea.com and import your PNG file. Then select design by holding down the Control key and clicking on the background layer. Go to the Paths tab, then click Selection to Path. Then go to the layer, then a Vector Mask and select Current Path. Now go to the File, Export As and choose PDF and Export File. Go to Canva again and import this PDF file. Open the file and here it is, your custom frame is ready. One last important tip to organize your frame. If you want to use these frames in future, then save it to a folder in Canva. Click three dots and select Move to the folder option. Create new folder and save. This way you can quickly access and reuse it in future projects. Just go to the folder and choose your favorite frames design and use it. You can see how simple it is to make custom frames in Canva and use them in a creative way. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.